2, 3, 4, 5. This is crazy.
Underneath the back.
That's wild. You can see all the way back in the bus, he only used half of it, and that's his demo build. How many subs per amp?
10 subs per amp.
10 subs, okay. Thank you, appreciate it. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So you can see all the way back in the bus, he only used half of it, and that's his demo build inside of there. You get a line to get in there. Whose is this?
I don't know. It's some guys.
I don't know. What in the world? Wow, this is cool. Wow. Yeah. You running this thing? Hey, what's up? You running this? That's pretty cool. I'm JacobViral. I do a lot of YouTube videos. I'm just checking it out. You do your thing. Sorry to bother you. I'll come here.
Hey, you gonna check out the stanky tanky tomorrow when I get these subs in?
Yeah, man, I'll do it.
Okay.
I'm here all
You
day.
ain't never check out the stanky tanky, man. You always walk by.
Oh, I do?
You go right to the car next to me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll hear it.
Maybe because it says stanky tanky on it like this, so I had to shop for you to walk that.
You're good. I'll hear it, man.
Okay. I'm trying to do 60 damn with 2 subs, man. I'm putting them in today.
All right. What's up?
You can pop
I'm squeezing in. I'm sorry. Oh, snap.
Oh, shit.
Hey, what's up?
I know this dude.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Hell yeah. I watch this dude all the time.
So this is the 5 bus. Wow. So how many subs are in here? Those aren't
40.
40? What? Wow. How much power? Whoa. That's wild.
Got 4 9Ks
Okay. Sorry, I didn't realize you were eating by
on
that.
the subs and 5 250.4s on the mid 9.
Okay. So there must be like a, oh, there they are. I'm gonna come back here and look. I was thinking there was like a band pass. I'm just squeezing in, I'm sorry.
Back there.
Wow. Oh, these are the IV3s, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. That's pretty cool.
There's some back in
Holy
there.
crap.
Yeah.
Sorry, I've never seen this before.
Underneath the back.
That's wild. sat in this before? Been in this? No.
No.
This is crazy. Wow, 40 subs.
I haven't. It's long.
Yeah, it is. I would think right where you are is dangerous.
Yeah. I was back there last year.
Kind of what I'm thinking. I got your clothes.
Look, this year I sat there this year and I could like feel the base kind of like grab you a little bit.
Russian wind tunnel was here last year. I don't know how that worked.
Definitely got a lot of wiring mechanics to be able to have an invert and an XI. It's like an ISO setup. Wow. Man.
I had a money wrapped up in this bad boy.
Oh, it's sponsored by the brand, I'm sure.
About half of me.
Well, it's a demo build for shows like this. They can promote their brand. I mean, people want to buy what they see. This is cool.
Yeah, it's probably worth it to them.
Oh yeah.
Well, I mean, this is that's what I got in my truck is F5.
Yeah. Wow. Woo.
Charged up to the max.
A lot of speakers too.
There we go. Getting ready to take over.
It feels like it.
Hardly home but always repping. You hardly own it, always second. When I'm awake, you always resting. And when they call you the answer, you are hardly question. I'm doing classic shit in all my sessions. Other niggas' situations, they are all depressing. That's why I never follow y'all suggestions. I just always did my own thing. I run the game. So big up, I see all this money.
Oh, you're good. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. I'm just gonna take a picture real quick. I heard it. Jeez, he fit like 10 people in there. Hey, what's up, man? I just gotta take one picture and then I'll leave you be. I'm sorry. This is crazy. Congrats on the 5 build. This is impressive. Thank you very much, man. What was your name? Christian. Jacob. Appreciate it. Thank you. Really musical.